Where does Iran get its water from? The water crisis in Iran is making headlines today. As drought conditions worsen, many are asking, where does Iran get its water from? This is a pressing issue as the country faces severe shortages. Iran's water supply primarily comes from surface water sources such as rivers and dams, along with groundwater from aquifers. However, the situation is dire. Many of Iran's major reservoirs are critically low, with some below 10% capacity. Provinces like Hormozgan and Fars are experiencing alarming water shortages. Groundwater extraction has been excessive, leading to the depletion of aquifers. These aquifers have traditionally provided a significant share of water for agriculture and domestic use. Unfortunately, they are unable to replenish quickly enough to meet the growing demand. The ongoing drought has lasted 4 or 5 consecutive years, reducing rainfall by over 40 to 50% in many regions. Key provinces like Sistan-Balochistan, Khuzestan, and Bushehr are particularly affected. Urban centers, especially Tehran, are facing severe water rationing. Daily outages and emergency measures are now commonplace. This has led to discussions about relocating Tehran due to the unsustainable water conditions. The government is actively seeking solutions to this crisis. Iran is exploring options for water imports and has initiated negotiations with neighboring countries such as Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, Tajikistan, and Uzbekistan. However, these efforts are still in early stages and cannot immediately address the shortages caused by drought and mismanagement. The situation remains critical as the demand for water continues to rise. With reservoirs and aquifers under severe stress, the need for a reliable water supply is urgent. The government's attempts to supplement these sources with water imports may provide some relief, but the overall supply remains critically low. As the drought continues and urban centers struggle, the question of where Iran gets its water from is more relevant than ever.